Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through one of the core skills every business analyst needs in their toolkit: how to create epics, user stories, bugs, and tasks in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or looking to sharpen your workflow, by the end of this video, you'll be able to set up and organize your project work like a pro. So let's get started. First, let's head over to the Spaces section in Jira. This is where the magic begins. Think of Spaces as the big, organized containers where all your project work lives. At the top right, you'll notice a little plus button. Go ahead and click that. This button is your gateway to creating a brand new, dedicated space for your team or your business analyst projects. Now, you'll see a list of templates. Take a moment here. Don't just pick anything. Look for a template that's geared toward business analysis. Jira usually offers some industry-specific templates that come with pre-configured settings, making your life a whole lot easier. If you're not sure which one to choose, try one called Business Analyst Project, or something similar. These templates are built to help you track requirements, manage user stories, and outline project goals right from day one. Picking the right template now will save you tons of time and confusion later, trust me. Once you've selected your template, you'll be prompted to type the name of your space. Give it a clear and descriptive name, something like Retail App Revamp Analysis or Q3 Marketing Project. This helps you and everyone else instantly know what the space is about whenever you see it in your dashboard. Think of naming your space like labeling a box in your attic. The better the label, the easier it will be to find what you need. Hit Create, and congratulations. You've just set up your working space. Take a moment here and breathe. This is where you lay the groundwork. The space now belongs to you, and you get to customize it according to your project's needs. Don't worry if you're not sure about every setting right away. Jira is flexible. You can always tweak things as you go. Explore the sidebar options, play around with colors, or add quick links that might help your workflow run smoother. Now that you're in your new space, let's dive into creating work items, the real building blocks of your analysis and development process. At the top of your screen, you'll notice a Create button. This is your main tool for adding new tasks and tracking progress. Click it, and you'll see options to create epics, user stories, bugs, and tasks. Each of these types serves a different function. An epic represents a large body of work, like redesign checkout experience. It's the umbrella under which smaller pieces live. Creating these helps you break down massive goals into manageable chunks. Next up is the user story. These are all about the people using your product. Think of them as little narratives, like, as a customer, I want to filter products by price so that I can find deals. Writing good user stories makes your project more user-focused and helps developers know exactly what to build. Bugs are for those unexpected issues. Maybe something isn't loading right, or a button isn't working. Logging these keeps your team accountable and ensures nothing falls through the cracks. And finally, tasks are the to-dos, the straightforward action items that move your project forward, whether it's sending a survey, running a test, or designing a wireframe. Take your time as you fill out each work item. Don't worry if you're not perfect. Jira lets you edit and refine as you learn. The more detail you add now, the smoother your project will run down the line. And just like that, you're ready to organize your efforts like a seasoned business analyst. If this helped clarify the process for you, make sure to hit that like button. Drop any questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help troubleshoot or offer guidance. And don't forget to subscribe if you're keen for more tips and advanced tutorials. See you next time, and happy analyzing!